Hi, I'm Jason Parker, joining you from Sitecore Symposium in Nashville. I'm delighted to have a chance to speak today with Rohini Mohindroo, who serves as Chief Digital and Information Officer for Sitecore. Now, Ms. Mohindroo has been with Sitecore for just over 3 years, leading all things related to technology governance, including the company's cybersecurity and data protection strategies. She has many years of enterprise technology leadership roles at companies, global organizations like Rakuten, MetLife, and JP Morgan Chase. She's with us today. Please help me welcome to the show, Rohini Mohindroo. How you doing?
Great.
Thank you
Jason,
for being here.
Please call me Ro.
Thank you so much. I will. So, Ro, Sitecore Symposium is in full swing with customers and partners from around the world. What are you hearing from attendees so far?
Most of them are wishing they brought better walking shoes.
Yes. But feels like we're at Disney World, doesn't it?
Yes. We're hearing from customers that they're here to learn, and they're here to partner with us to shape the future of digital experiences.
Well, you guys picked a great place to host the event. We're at the Gaylord in Nashville, Tennessee. Sitecore is launching new capabilities for our DXP Sitecore Stream all this week. How does security and data protection factor into Sitecore Stream, and what does it mean for customers?
Oh my gosh. Security and data protection are the core of everything we do at Sitecore, the way we work, the way we design our products. And this really happens in 3 ways. First, we make sure that we're minimizing the data that we collect. And when we do collect data, we're collecting it with transparency and with consent. Second, when we collect data, we make sure that it stays secure. So we have a lot of security protocols in place to make sure that happens. And third, and probably the most important part of that, is keeping up with the regulatory landscape, because things are changing very, very quickly, and making sure that we're continually proving that we can keep that data secure. And the definition of minimal data collection is also something that's shifting quite rapidly.
So when you speak with customers, what opportunities do you see for AI in their MarTech stack?
Really comes down to 2 things, innovation and automation. So customers are looking for ways to use AI to automate customer experiences for their customers, particularly around personalization. And automation is a big driver for AI as well, because it helps them reduce their total cost of ownership, and also helps them respond to their business needs in a very agile fashion.
Mm-hmm. AI is like a buzzword for a lot of companies who really haven't figured out how to master it. What concerns, if any, do customers have about AI, in your opinion?
It's a balancing act, right? The field the technology is emerging so rapidly, so it's a balancing act between keeping pace, making sure things stay secure and protected, and also being able to actually show business value from the investments that people are making in AI. So it's a bit of a balancing act, managing risk. It's super exciting time to be in the industry, but it needs to be done in a cautious manner.
Well, how can marketers do the right thing by customers and respect their privacy while creating digital experiences that are compelling and personalized? What steps can they take?
I would say it comes down to a case of trust and verify. So owning trust with their consumers by providing transparency, making sure there's consent when data is collected, when AI is used, and then using analytics to really verify the behavior of these models as they're implementing them in their customer journeys.
So key solutions like XM Cloud, CDP, Content Hub, and Personalize, they're now HIPAA-ready, which is very exciting. We just spoke with Danny about that. What does this mean, and how could it help healthcare marketers?
I am so excited about this, particularly as a patient, because the patient experience in the US in particular has had a huge gap. Because of HIPAA regulations, there are not very many solutions available to healthcare marketeers to personalize that patient experience. And what Sitecore is bringing to this field at the moment is our experiences that have historically been available to B2B customers and B2C, but bringing it to the healthcare industry to enable B2P patient experience is super, super exciting.
Understood. What other trends are you watching right now in the industry?
There's really two. I'm really fascinated by the concept of complete experiences. So, not personalized experiences in pockets, but really stringing those personalized experiences end to end so that the consumer experiences them as a collective. And I think technology will converge and allow us to do that, particularly with AI. The second is I'm hopeful that there will be a balanced and a consolidated regulatory landscape. Right now in the US, there are laws by state. In Europe, there are laws by country, and it's become incredibly complex and expensive to keep up with these regulations. So I'm hopeful that that landscape will consolidate in the future, or at least be a bit more balanced.
Last question. What inspires you most about Sitecore, and what excites you most about 2025 and beyond?
We're building something new. We're building something new for our customers. We're building something new for Sitecoreans, and that's super exciting.